Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME GT3 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. I'll pick maybe Jim and then tap on edit, so this pencil icon. Now let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So just tap on this circle here, and now you can either enter the camera app to take a photo of someone who's right in front of you, or you can select a photo from the gallery. I do not have anything saved in my gallery, so let me quickly enter the camera and just take a photo. All right. We've got it, so just tap on tick, okay, agree and continue. And here in this step we can change the position of this highlighted square. We can change the size of it also, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted square is responsible for it. So simply tap on done and tap on done in the right upper corner too. And as you can see, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.